Hey friends, if you love banana desserts but tired of banana bread and have more old bananas to use, this delicious banana upside down cake is for you. The three big problems with many recipes. First, the top doesn't caramelize. Second, the cake is dry like I need a glass of water or coffee. Third, complicated, too many bowls and steps. Baking got to be fun and easy. Hi, my name is Landon. Let's bake easier. My convenient downloadable recipe is in the description. Now before preheating the oven to 350, place a large metal sheet on the bottom rack. Its amazing heat conducting efficiency is the key to better caramelization, so don't skip if you have it. It takes just about a minute in microwave to melt the butter. We then spread it out on the bottom of a 9-inch pan, and it got to be metal again for better caramelization. Now I just sprinkle the brown sugar dry on top and smooth it out. It doesn't have to be perfect. We use overripe bananas and they should be still slightly firm. Press it to test it. If too soft, they may turn into mush from baking. Slice 3 bananas into half-inch pieces. Now this will be the face of the cake, so arrange however you like, but this is the easiest way. If there's still significant spaces, use another banana to fill the gap. We then soak this cake strip in cold tap water, and this is the secret to have a perfectly level upside down cake. For the batter, we mash 1 overripe banana. It will add moisture and flavor to the cake, similar to banana bread, but much lighter and fluffier. Now, we do my 1 bowl mixing method. Basically, we add everything you see here on the screen. You can add 2 more or less tablespoons of sugar. I use non-fat Greek yogurt, but you may use sour cream for a slightly richer cake but a bit denser. Cold egg is totally fine. Just 30 seconds to blend everything together, then we add all-purpose flour. No sifting needed. That's right, I'm just manually mixing a bit to prevent spattering, and mix for 30 to 45 seconds with some stripping so we don't have clumps of unevenness. And that's it, 1 bowl. Now we pour the batter over the bananas, shake and tap to level it out. We want the batter to fill up all the spaces. Squeeze out excess water and wrap the cake strip around the pan, and it's ready for baking. Bake for 40 to 15 minutes or until the toothpick test comes out clean. Yay! Let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes, then run a spatula around the edges so nothing sticks to the sides. Now place the batter on top and flip it over. Look at that! Perfectly caramelized bananas. Enjoy it as is for a 40% less calories than banana cheesecake, or upgrade it to a fancier dessert with acidic fruits and of course some warm homemade caramel sauce. This cake never lasts long in my house. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check out my other easy low stress recipes and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what's next. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.